Imagine this. Every 5 seconds, a crisp $2 bill drops into your pocket. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that this dream could be your reality? In today's video, we're diving deep into a jaw-dropping way to turn your spare time into a profit, and all you need is a device and an internet connection. Yes, it's that simple. But there's a catch, and it's not what you think. Stick with me until the very end, because what you're about to discover will challenge everything you thought you knew about making money online. And trust me, you'll want to know about the 3 hidden gems we've uncovered that could make you hundreds, even thousands, without leaving the comfort of your couch. Let's kick things off with a platform that's perfect for beginners, MicroWorkers. Now, don't let the name fool you. While the earnings might start small, the potential here is massive, especially if you play your cards right. To get started, head over to MicroWorkers and register. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of tasks. Here's where it gets interesting. Filter the tasks to focus on video or music sharing platforms. This way, you can zero in on the highest paying gigs that involve watching videos. Choose tasks that pay the most for the least amount of time. Once you've found a task that appeals to you, click on it. You'll be directed to a page with all the necessary details, including how many positions are available and the task's duration. A quick tip: select tasks that allow multiple completions to maximize your earnings. Complete the task, take a screenshot as proof, and submit it. Once you hit the minimum withdrawal limit of $5, you can cash out via your preferred payment method. It's that simple. Now, if you think that microjobs pay is too small for your liking, this next one might be the right one for you. Next up is RapidWorkers, a platform designed for those who want to make money fast. With tasks that take as little as 5 minutes, you can rack up a decent amount in no time. But there's more to it than just clicking play. Here's the catch. After signing up, type YouTube into the search bar and filter by the highest paying options. You'll see a list of video-related tasks you can complete. But here's the key. Make sure to check the task's availability in your country. If it's not available locally, focus on international tasks instead. Many of them pay just as well. Once you've completed the task, the minimum withdrawal is $8, and payments are made via PayPal. Just make sure to submit all the required details, like your PayPal and email, and you'll get your money within 24 to 48 hours. If most of these tasks are not available in the country you live in, then I have good news for you. This bonus side hustle might just be the one for you and is available worldwide. We are starting out an exciting journey, and we'll begin offering services to YouTube creators all over the world. Services ranging from graphic design, complete channel branding, YouTube thumbnails, full video editing services, and a whole lot more. You will be rewarded between $10 to $20 for every client that will sign up for one of the services we offer. Sounds easy enough? Well, it is. For more information, send us an email found in the description of this video. This is one of the easiest side gigs yet, so what are you waiting for? Send us an email today. But if that still is not enough, check this next one out. We've saved the best for last, SproutGigs. This platform is where the real money is made. With payouts as high as $3 per video, this site turns your everyday scrolling habit into a lucrative side hustle. To start, switch your profile from buyer to freelancer. Then, head over to the microjobs dropdown and click Find Jobs. Filter for video tasks and select the highest paying options. The process is straightforward. Just follow the instructions, enter the required credentials, and submit your proof of completion. Once you find jobs that you like to do, make sure to complete them right away, as there are limited times a task can be completed. The best part? These tasks are available internationally, so no matter where you are, there's money to be made. Once you've completed a few tasks, you'll see how quickly the earnings add up. Just upload your proof and watch the dollars roll in. So, there you have it. 3 powerful platforms where you can start making money right now just by watching videos. May not seem like a lot at first, but dedicate time on these websites daily and watch as the numbers quickly stack up. Have you heard of these websites before? Are these type of gigs you are willing to try? If you have made it this far into the video, comment side hustle down below. Now, if you want to learn how you can make $147 per day, check out this video where I show you 3 proven apps that can help you do so. Thank you for watching.